Take me down to the paradise city where the grass is green and the girls are pretty. I want you please send me home, yeah, yeah. Alright, bit of Paradise City, Guns N' Roses. We're going to have a big fat open G chord here, and then we've got a C9, and then we got an F, so we're going to do an F bar chord here, F major. We can just do a power chord if it's easier. Okay, so power chord there, first fret, and then back to C9, and then G. Okay, so with the strumming, I'm going down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. Alright, so 12, 14, 12, and you play that 12 twice. And then back down to the D string, 14, 12. Okay, so 12, 14, 12, 12, 14, 12, there we go. And then little finger is going to go on that B string on the 15. So look, we got. And then back to third finger bend on 14 on the G. So twice. Back down, 12, 14 on the D. All right. And then for the last bit, you're going to bend 13 on the B, you're going to bend that up twice, rest, and then back to the G, bend, and then bend up again. So we're going to bend G, back down, 12, same string, 14 on the D, end with a bend on the G, 14. So that whole part there would be and then same again on this bend, but we're slightly different here. We're going to go. So that bend here, look, we're going to go 13 twice, rest, and then just 12, 13, 12. Two, three, four. And then we've got the big fat riff. Cool. So let's have a little go at that, shall we? Look, we're going to go third finger on the third fret on the E string, bottom E, and you're going to go like this. Look, we're going to use our third finger, first finger, second finger for each fret. So look, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, and then 1 on the A. Back to 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, and now 3, 1 on the A. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1 on the A. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1 on the A. Okay. Little bit different at the end there, just before the verse kicks in with the vocals. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then back up to the A, 3, 3, 3, 1, and back to your. Hope that's kind of helpful.